Hello. In this video, I'll be making comments about my feedback that I received for my first introductory video. To start off, let me say what I think about the feedback. It was really contradictory. For example, one of the feedback from my classmates was that I had to practice on my pronunciation, while some other of my classmates said that I had good pronunciation, which that's exactly what I mean by contradictory. However, at the end, I've decided to not make a big deal about this and just improving wherever the feedback says. Even if some other classmate says that I'm good at it, I'm just going to improve everything that someone thinks I need to improve at. Um, I'm really happy about the feedback I received because the areas I need to improve were the areas that I thought I had problems with, and most of the areas I received good comments in are the areas that I think are my positives and my strongs. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep pushing forward to improve every area I can. I acknowledge I need to work in my body language because as of right now I'm just moving my hands in the same motion during the whole video, and that's something I acknowledge I need to work at. I need to work in my pauses, which was mentioned a lot in the feedback. And one of the feedbacks that I do not agree with is that I had a bad video quality. I think that if you compare my video to the rest of the class, I have pretty decent video quality, but that's not one of the biggest deals here. That's my conclusion. I'm very thankful for my feedback. It was pretty much what I anticipated, and I'm just gonna keep trying to improve in every area I can, and I know this class is gonna help me. Thank you.